Welcome to LS Gem. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of how plants help bring us rain. You see, plants play a crucial role in the water cycle, a natural process that keeps our planet thriving. Picture this: as the sun shines down on the earth, plants absorb water from the soil through their roots. Through a process called transpiration, plants release water vapor into the air through tiny pores in their leaves. This water vapor rises into the atmosphere, forming clouds through a process known as evaporation. Now, here's where it gets interesting. These clouds eventually become heavy with water vapor and condense into droplets, thanks to the cooling temperatures higher up in the atmosphere. And guess what? That's when the magic happens: rain. When it rains, the water nourishes the soil, providing essential nutrients for plants to grow and thrive. It's a beautiful cycle of give and take between plants and the atmosphere, ensuring a healthy ecosystem for all living beings. So next time you see rain falling from the sky, remember the vital role that plants play in bringing us this precious gift. They truly are nature's own rainmakers, working tirelessly to keep our planet in balance. And there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the incredible connection between plants and rain. Nature never ceases to amaze us with its wonders. Stay curious, keep exploring, and remember to appreciate the little things that make our world so extraordinary.